Now we are going to see the question from signals and systems given in GATE 2007 related to the Z transforms. So here the Z transform x of z of a sequence x of n is given by x of z equals to 0.5 divided by 1 minus 2z power minus 1. It is given that the region of convergence of x of z includes the unit circle. Then we need to find the value of x of 0 now. So here the answer is the x of 0 value is 0 will get. Now we will see the solution. How will get the x of 0 value as 0. So coming to the solution, here given that the Z transform of x of n represented with capital X of z is given as 0.5 divided by 1 minus 2z power minus 1. So taking the z as by writing this z as 1 by z and taking the LCM, this becomes 0.5 z divided by z minus 2. So this is like z by z minus a form, that is the Z transform of a power n u of n, that is z by z minus a for mod z greater than mod a, and this is one possibility. And we can also have the Z transform of minus a power n u of minus n minus 1. This is also having the Z transform like z by z minus a, but the ROC is mod z less than mod a. So this is like z by z minus a only. This is like so here we have the capital X of z is like z by z minus a form. Then we have the inverse z transform has the two possibilities, that is a power n u of n and minus a power n u of minus n minus 1. So for the given ROC, now we will go for verifying which is which we need to consider for x of n from the given question. So here it is given that the region of convergence of x of z includes the unit circle. Then by verifying the possible two conditions, that is one condition, let us consider mod z greater than 2 greater than a, that is a equals to 2 here, a equals to 2. So considering that mod z greater than 2, then by taking the ROC representing on the z axis, so taking the circle with radius of 2, then we can observe that the ROC is greater than 2. This is z plane. The ROC is greater than 2 here outside the circle with radius of 2. Then we can say that this is not at all including the circle with radius of the 1, that is unit circle. So this is not including the unit circle. Then we can't consider the mod z greater than 2 now. So this is not including the unit circle, taking that mod z greater than 2. So coming to the other alternative, that is mod z less than 2, taking the mod z greater less than 2, taking the Z transform taking the jet plane and drawing the ROC for the mod z less than 2. So here taking the circle with radius of 2, taking the circle with radius 2, and we can find that we can have the ROC is inside the circle with radius 2. This is entirely the ROC, nothing but it includes the unit circle. It includes the unit circle. Then we'll go for taking this mod z less than 2 case. For the given question, the region of convergence, of x of z includes the unit circle. So we can consider that the x of n is equals to, for mod z less than a case, that is minus a power n u of minus n minus 1. That is the inverse Z transform for this z by z minus 2. So writing that we'll get the x of n equals to, we already have the 0.5, that is we have 0.5 z by z minus a, z by z minus 2. So minus 0.5 a power n, nothing but 2 power n u of minus n minus 1. So we need the x of 0 value. Then substitute n equals to 0 here. Then x of 0 equals to minus 0.5 2 power 0 u of minus 0 minus 1. Then it is minus 0.5 u of minus 1. Then we know that u of minus 1 value, that is equals to 0. Then the value becomes equals to 0. So finally x of 0 value is equals to 0. That's what the required answer. Then the answer is x of 0, small x of 0 value is 0.